Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. I hope you like my videos and I hope you will consider subscribing. I upload every week, so I hope you stick around. Alright, so let's get on with this video. For today, I will be showing you this month's Simply Gilded. I'm not sure if this is May or this is April. I don't know, but this is the latest box and I'm very excited for it. The name is First Class, and I am very excited. It's kind of ironic because we cannot travel right now, but hey. Alright, if you are subscribed to this box, I will show you spoilers, so I will let you know whenever I show the mystery item. So this is everything we are all getting for this month, and let's get on with this video. Alright, to get started, I wanted to show you because I am in the add-on, or I got the add-on washi because this month's washi is very, very pretty. We have, alright, so we have this very beautiful star, and the color, it's a blush pink, and the stars are rose gold. I love blush, that's my favorite color. And we have this one, rose gold with little hearts. We have the bow, the chocolate bow one, which is adorable. And we have this little heart one. This one is blush with the rose gold. So this is the add-on. So alright everyone, so the first thing is this vegan pearl stitch pouch, and it's beautiful. I don't have anything this color. I love the little heart detail here. I love the zipper, and that I can put my stickers in here. I wish I can just take this off and make it like to fit my planner. I don't know if I can do that, but yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is the insert. I just hope you guys can see it without the glare and everything, but it's very pretty, very simple. The next thing, it's the foiled journaling card. It's very, I love the simplicity of this. I love the color because everything that I like has blush in it, and rose gold is just an add-on. This is very pretty. Next are the stickers, and we have the seals. All right, so we have these. We have her usual tiny stickers. This is new. We have the days of the month, and we have a few extras here. These are beautiful. We also have these that she's been adding on her monthlies, and these are rose gold, which I really, really love. And we have the usual kit, which is beautiful, and it's all travel related. I love the colors. I love the combination of brown and like blush rose gold. It's just, everything goes so well together, so beautiful. All right, so the next thing is this right here, and I have to try. Yeah, this is the travel scissors, and I was really hoping for black. I love it. Right, next thing is the usual pen, and this one is just like the whole theme, and I love these pens. These are like some of my favorite pens, and I'm having like a little collection going on. And this month she included the micro perm, that's what it's called. And these are the pens that she says you can write on her stickers with it. This is actually my second pen. I really like it. Alright everyone, so here I have the washi, and you guys, these are beautiful. So in here you can see very well, it's the lined rose gold washi with the little bows. We have it thicker and the thinner version. We have this one, and I hope you can see the detail with the airplane. And in here we have, oh my god, the map. This is gorgeous. And we have also some thin washi, which I actually am very excited for. These are perforated. I didn't check for these, but I got the rose gold star with the pink inside, which is, oh my god, I love it. I'm so excited. And this one is also very, very pretty. So these are the washies. Oops. These are the washies, and they are so beautiful. I literally subscribed again because of the washi, because I thought I was saying bye to the box and then the washi just got. Alright, so this is the part where I tell you go away if you don't want to see the spoilers, but hey, if you want to see it, stick around. So this is the mystery item, and it couldn't have come in a perfect time because I'm expecting a new purse. So we have this little purse thing, I don't know what it's called, shouldn't have the name there, but you get your name and your address and your contact number, and it's absolutely beautiful. You can just put it on your purse. I love it. Or you can put your keys with this. I don't know, we planner girls get creative, so I really, really love this. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna gather everything together like I love to and show you everything all together. Alright, so here is everything. I love this month's box. I love the neutral colors and just the simplicity of it all. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all soon on my next video. Bye!